Welcome back. Now in this lecture we are going to customize this dashboard, and I want this dashboard to have the two parts, that is the sidebar and this other part on the right. So to do that, we are going to modify this home view, which is the dashboard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this part, and then I'm going to separate it into two, that is a sidebar with a class of MD3, and then the other part will have a class of MD9. So let me close this div tag, and I'm going to duplicate it. So now we have two parts. So let me change the name of this to sidebar, and this other one should have welcome to sidebar. For now, save, let's see, refresh, and as you can see we have now two parts, the sidebar and this other part. So what I'll do is, because we're going to create other views and we're going to be using this view to do that, so we're going to add some buttons here which will enable us to navigate to those other views. For example, we'll have a view called profile, which will have the form for the user to edit their own profile details. We also have another view where a user can be able to change their password. So let's add those buttons. So I'll have a button of class BTN primary, BTN block, and then it will have the link, button link, and I need at least, for now I need, let's have 4. Let's see how they are. Refresh, and as you can see we have these buttons. So let's add the name of the user here instead of the word dashboard. So I'm just going to copy this, and then here I'm going to put that name. Refresh. So now it looks nice. Let's add also these buttons here. So before we add, we need to specify which buttons are these. The first one will be the dashboard, so which will reflect to this home. Once you click, you'll be taken to this view. The second one will be the profile, where a user can be able to edit their own profile details, and then the third one will be for the change password. So change password, and this other one will be profile settings, and this other one will be dashboard. So for the dashboard we have a route ready, which is home. For the rest we don't have for now. We are going to be adding them once we create them. So save, let's see how they are. Refresh, and as you can see we have dashboard, profile settings, and then change password. So this one we'll add later. So what I will do is, let's move this part, that is the sidebar. So here I'm going to say that is start sidebar. So I'm going to move this part and include it, use the include directive, and the view I'm going to call it, which will be inside the includes directory, includes, and I'm going to call it profile sidebar with an underscore. Save. Now let's create that file. I'm going to call it profile settings, profile sidebar. That is a blade file. Put that content, save. Now with that, we can be able now to only include where we want to have that view. Next, let's add on these drop-downs these links. So let's go to the app directory, the app.blade, that is the blade file. So look out for that logout form, this one. So duplicate that 2 times. And then I'm going to change this, remove all these parts. So this one will be dashboard. And then also remove these other parts. And this one will be profile settings. So and then we also, let's duplicate this. This one will be change password. So let me add some comments and dashboard. Link. And profile settings link. And change password. So let's see now, refresh, and now if you go to that drop down, you'll see we have those links. So some will not work for now. We're going to be adding them once we create these views. So for the dashboard, let's change to home. That's the only one that we have. So now in the next lecture, we are going to start with the profile. We have the dashboard now, which is this one, and it will be much easier for us now to use or to reuse this view. So the next is to create the profile settings. That is, we will have a form which a user will be able to edit their own profile details. See you in the next lecture.